welcome to another session for Math Academy, and we are still continuing with our Gauteng Prelim 2016 paper 1, and today we are doing subsection 7.3, which is lecture series number 13. Okay, so let us just go through the problem statement, then we solve the actual problems. Okay, so 7.3, the problem statement says that Emily plans to attend the Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. She books an all-inclusive Olympic package through a travel agency at the price of 135,000. Okay, she acquires a personal loan to cover the cost of, or at an interest of 14.75% per annum compounded monthly, and wishes to pay back the loan in 18 equal monthly payments starting 3 months after receiving the loan. Okay, so I'm gonna read it again, but this time we're going to be having our information written down. Okay, so it says that Emily plans to attend the Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. She books an all-inclusive Olympic package through a travel agency at the price of 135,000. Okay, and then it says that she acquires a loan to cover the costs at an interest rate of 14.75% per annum compounded monthly. So that's why I'm saying that the present value, that the present money that she has now is 135,000, because she took a loan. So when that loan is approved, they give you the money immediately. And now they says that she wishes to pay back the loan in 18 equal monthly payments starting 3 months after she received the loan. Okay, so the interest rate here is given by 14.75% per annum compounded monthly, meaning that our interest rate will be given by 14.75% divided by 12. Wherever I see I just have to substitute that. Okay, because yeah. So the first question says that calculate the amount owing 2 months after the loan is granted. Okay, so we need to calculate the amount owing. Okay, so if you can check, for us to calculate the amount owing here, okay, we are going to use the equation A is equals to P 1 plus I to the N, where our N is equals to 2, because they said 2 months after the loan is granted. Now, since the loan is granted, the amount that is owed at this case after 2 months will be given by 14.75% divided by 12 to the exponent 2. So let me put that in a calculator. So get 135,000. Oh, I forgot the R here. 135,000 1 plus 14.75 divided by 12. 14.75%. It's important for me to put percent. Okay, divided by 12 and everything to the exponent 2. So the money is 138,339.15. Okay, so this is the money that she owes after 2 months when the loan was granted. So now we need to continue to the second question. Okay, so the second question says that, oh, this is 7.3.1. I need to write it here. 7.3.1. Okay, 7.3.2, calculate the monthly installments on the loan. Okay, 7.3.2. Okay, now I want you to look at something. Let us try to visualize this. Okay, let us have something like this. Okay, let's say this is T0. Let us have our little T1 here. We have our T2, we have our T17, and we have our T18. Okay, now if you can check, we are now at this stage, or at this level. Okay, we are now at this level. She has to start paying in the following month, because after 2 months, this is the amount of money that she owes. Okay, the amount of money that she owes is given by A, which is 138,339. So she's going to start paying those equal monthly repayments of the loan from T1, T2, until TAD. Okay, because now we are currently in the third month, the month before she starts paying those monthly installments. So those monthly installments will have to start at T1 because we are currently at the third month. Okay, so they said that after the loan is granted, she has 3 months before she can start having those monthly installments. Okay, so now we're trying to solve this X that she has to pay here such that at the end, at T18, our accumulated amount or the value or whatever that she was owing equates to 0.00, meaning that she has paid the whole thing. Okay, so therefore, since this is a loan, we're going to use the present value equation. So we're gonna have X, okay, our X here, and have 1 minus 1 plus I to the exponent n, and this is all divided by I. So as I said before, I like to make the unknown to be the subject of the formula. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing and have X is equals to this times that, it becomes I times the present value, and then we divide the whole thing by what is in the bracket. Okay, so now we're just going to do that. Now if you can check, how many months do we have from T1 to T18? We have exactly 18 months. Okay, so therefore we do not need to add, subtract, or do whatever. Okay, because we know that in the third month the amount that she owes is this one, and then she needs to start paying these amounts of money. So therefore our X will be given by our I, which is that 14.75% divided by 12, and then the present value or the money that she owes at the moment is 138,339.15. okay, divided by 1 minus 1 plus 14.75% divided by 12 to the exponent 18. Okay, to the exponent 18 because it starts at T1 until T18. Okay, so let us put that in a calculator. I nearly made a terrible mistake, guys. Okay, I nearly made a terrible mistake. Our n should always be a negative. Our n should always be a negative. I nearly made a terrible mistake. Negative 80, negative n, and here I should have negative n. Okay, I nearly made a terrible mistake, guys. That was going to kill everything. Okay, so we're putting this in a calculator. So we have 14.75% divided by 12 multiplied by 138,339.15, and then we're going to have 1 minus 1 plus, so we're gonna have this 14.75% divided by 12, okay, divided by 12 to the exponent negative 80. So the monthly payments that she has to make such that she can be able to finish the whole thing is given by 8,613.99. So it's given by 8,613.99. Okay, so these are the monthly installments that she has to pay such that she can be able to finish the loan in 18 months. Okay, so let us go through the next subsection, which is subsection 8 or 8.1 or 8.2, I don't know, but we'll see that in the next lecture series. So guys, if you came this far, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you.